weather has just gotten more active. We now have a tornado warning that has been issued by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly for northeastern Burlington County, also northwestern Ocean County and southwestern Monmouth County until 10:45. Tornado warning in effect. Towns included Mount Holly, Wrightstown, Columbus, Jacksonville, again in Burlington County, Fort Dix and McGuire Air Force Base. A cell was detected capable of producing a tornado that was located over Jacksonville or 13 miles south of Trenton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Again, tornado warning in effect. You need to seek shelter immediately. We'll move you over to Storm Scan 3 and you can see where that heaviest rain is. This red area is our watch box. So included there is Route 206, the heaviest rain crossing over 295, just south Pemberton, just north Chesterfield and Bordentown. We'll try to zoom you in a little bit closer. There's the New Jersey Turnpike on the western edge of this tornado warning right now in Burlington County. Heavy rain about to cross over 206. We could have a tornado that is embedded within the severe thunderstorm. Nearly continuous lightning as well. You are not going to be able to see if a tornado on the ground because of the torrential rainfall and the lightning as well. We'll continue to monitor the situation as we have a tornado warning that is in effect now for about the next less than 20 minutes. But you want to seek safe shelter immediately. Move to the lowest level of your home. Basement is going to be the best place. You want to stay away from windows. So it is radar indicated at this point, no ground confirmation, but we have to treat it as such, as there is a tornado on the ground. We've been dealing with severe thunderstorms rolling across the area throughout the day today, of course, fed by the intense heat and humidity that we dealt with earlier in the day. It looks like this could be a little bit of a radar signature, which we would call an inflow notch around the Roebling area, and then the tornado could potentially just be south of that. So it will be potentially positioned just east of Willingboro, moving east. New Hanover also in this tornado warning, North Hanover, Route 68 as it continues to move eastbound at about 45 miles per hour. So that's a pretty fast pace. We also have the threat, even if we don't have a tornado on the ground, the potential for damaging winds in excess of 70, potentially even 80 mile per hour straight line winds, which could do considerable damage. We've also had reports throughout the evening of wind damage, of trees down, branches down, as well as flash flooding across the area because we're dealing with this near torrential rainfall embedded within this line that continues to move across the area, crossing the I-95 corridor and moving now into South Jersey. So we'll put this into motion. You can see all of that lightning embedded within the cell here. We'll try to take the lightning off so you can get a better look at where exactly we're seeing the strongest portion of this cell right now. So we have multiple severe thunderstorm warnings in effect and multiple flash flood warnings, i.e., please stay home. Please do not go out in the roadways. But our primary concern right now is going to be our tornado warning just north of Pemberton in Burlington County. Cell is moving east at 45 miles per hour, the leading edge crossing over 206 as we speak. So on the back edge of this, Mount Holly, Willingboro, Lumberton, even in these areas, you need to be seeking safe shelter, certainly upwind of this cell in the New Hanover area. If you live in and around, there's Fort Dix. You need to be going to the lowest level of your home or whatever sturdy building you're located in. Want to stay away from windows. Also, if you're located in a mobile home, you need to seek a sturdy shelter outside of that mobile home because they do not fare well in tornadic winds. So again, we'll repeat, we have a tornado warning in effect right now for southeastern Burlington County, northeastern Burlington County and east central Burlington County until 10:45 as issued by the National Weather Service. So please take cover immediately. A warning means that a tornado is imminent or occurring. This is no longer any watch situation, so you need to be taking action immediately. So this is a warning area where we see this bright red box. And then all of these colors here, the reflectivity coming through Burlington, heavy rain moving through Mount Laurel, that's indicative of the rainfall that's moving in. Also shows you a little bit of a wind profile, how that line is kind of bowing out a little bit and pushing up into that tornado warning would indicate that there are likely strong, intense, and possibly damaging winds embedded within this severe thunderstorm that has popped off at this point, a tornado warning. So we'll take a look at some of the towns and see if we can